Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The minivan lifestyle is typically connected with a growing family and the abandonment of once primary transportation vehicles with elegant bodies. The debut of a sinister-looking sport trim on the 2023 Honda Odyssey may remind parents of their inner rebel. Or, more likely, Honda is profiting on buyers' preference for blacked-out exterior cosmetic kits. In either case, the exterior of the 23 Odyssey Sport is finished in gloss black, including the 19-inch wheels, grille, headlight and fog light trim, and roof pillars. Additionally, taillights have darker covers. It is available in black, obviously white, red, and the recently announced Sonic Gray Pearl paint color. Inside, the Sport is upholstered in black leather with red stitching. Red ambient lighting is used at night to create either a sporty or eerie atmosphere, depending on whether or not the passengers still believe in the bogeyman. The new Sport model begins at $42,505 and includes a sunroof, a power-operated tailgate, and an 8-way motorized front passenger seat as standard equipment. It falls between the XL and Touring in the range. Since the entry-level LX has been discontinued, the X is now the base Odyssey model. This translates to a much higher starting price of $38,635, $4,300 more than the LX's starting price of $34,335 last year. Other models of the 2023 Odyssey are priced at $41,705 for the XL, $45,754 for the Touring, and $50,765 for the Elite. Every Odyssey is still equipped with a 280 horsepower V6 engine mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Now, Honda is offering complimentary maintenance on the Odyssey and other models for the first time. 2 years or 24,000 miles of factory-scheduled maintenance, including tire rotations and oil and filter replacements, are included.
Thanks for watching.